Hi, I'm Evan at Formlabs. I'm here to talk about a really exciting feature in the latest version of PreForm. This new feature enables you to print taller on both Form 3 and Form 3L. So if we look at Form 3L, previously the maximum height that you could print was 300 millimeters, and now you can print up to 320 millimeters on Form 3L. This is enabled by allowing the printer to actually print a part that is taller than the tank itself. So when you're printing a part that's over 300 millimeters, you'll see a little flag in PreForm that tells you that you're printing a large part and to be careful not to hit the tank when you're removing the part. So to remove a taller part like this, you simply slide out the build platform and the tank at the same time. And so you just gradually slide that out until you have enough room, and then you can just lift out the part like normal. And you can see that this part here is able to complete, and there's an extra 20 millimeters of usable build area that you weren't able to get before, which is really exciting. On Form 3, it's 8 millimeters of extra Z height that you get. But yeah, overall, it's really exciting to just be able to print larger parts.